Combination ER. Okay, remember, with combinations, we code with an R. Looks kind of like a breathe underneath. All right, so number 1, do we have any digraphs or combinations? We have both. And we have combination ER, so code it. And we also have digraph CH. How do we code a digraph? We underline it. Alright, remember most of the time CH says ch, so we're going to try that first and see if it works. Let's sound it out. Ch, perch. Okay, what is a perch? Alright, a perch is a place for something to sit, or if you perch on something, you sit on something. You see a place to sit. Yes, the bird is sitting on a perch. That is a place for the bird to sit. So draw a line from the word perch to the picture of the bird that is pointing to the bar that the bird is sitting on. That is called a perch. Number 2, do we see a digraph or combination? There's a combination. Combination ER, so code it. Now we can sound it out. Verb. What word? Verb. Yes, like an action word. Verb. All right, number 3. Do we have a digraph or a combination? No. So let's look at our vowel. We have a vowel by itself. So how do we code that vowel? It's long and says its name. So let's sound it out. E, B. What word? B. And the next word, do we have digraph or combination? We have a combination. Code it. Right, now, if you notice, there's more than one vowel. So we're going to have to look. All right, it has 2 consonants, so it is V, C, C, V. So our rule tells us to divide between the 2 consonants. Our accent is going to be on the first syllable. Now let's look at that first syllable. Vowel followed by a consonant is short. But, ter, butter. What word? Butter. Do we have a picture? Yes, here's butter. Someone's cutting the butter. Miss Byers wouldn't mind having a biscuit to go with her butter. Butter. All right, the next word. Do we have a digraph or combination? We have a combination, so code it. Okay, we have two vowels, so we have to look for our vowel pattern. We have vowel with two consonants in the middle, so it is vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Divide between our two vowels. Alright, so our accent is on the first syllable. Vowel followed by consonant is short. So we code it with a breathe. Ooh, Miss Byers forgot the digraph. TH is a digraph. Alright, remember it can make two sounds, so we'll have to figure out which sound. Let's start with the sound. Thunder. Does that make sense? Yes, thunder does make sense. Okay. So that's the word, thunder. All right, let's look at the last one. Do we have a digraph or combination? We have a combination. Code it. All right, and what do we need to do to this beginning letter? Yes, it makes the k sound, so it needs a K back. Now let's sound it out. K, l, k, clerk. All right, what word? Clerk, like the clerk in the store, at the grocery store, clerk. Very good. All right, going on to reading. All right, your stories are getting a little longer. Remember, if you're having trouble reading them, code your words. Hunter has a splinter in his hand. The splinter is thin and black. It cut his skin. He will have to get help from his sister. The splinter cut Hunter's blank. All right, what did it cut? Yes, it cut his skin. So the splinter cut Hunter's skin. Number 8, who will help Hunter? Our choices are his dad, his sister, or his hand. All right, so who will help Hunter? He will have to get help from his sister. So who will help him? His sister. Number 9, is the splinter thick and black? Yes or no? When it says the splinter is thin and black. So is it thick and black? No. It is thin and black. And number 10, what did the splinter do to Hunter's skin? All right, we already have that sentence underlined. It cut his skin. You cut his skin. Okay, you are going to do the back side independently. You'll have 6 words where you'll code with combination ER. And then you will read about Dawn and answer questions about Dawn. If you need me to check it, you may send it through Dojo, or you can take a picture with the computer and send it on the Google Docs that's attached to the lesson. That's totally up to you if you want to send it. Okay, now I'm going to attach a second video with a Google Slides for the cat and the chef. So you'll need to have your book for the second part of the video, and we will read the story together. So have your book ready for us to read together for the next part of the lesson, okay?